Hello and welcome to PowerBITrek tutorial for data visualizations. Today in this video, we will learn about pie charts and donut charts and how to create them for data visualization and use cases. So let's understand what is a pie chart and donut charts here. So in Power BI, both pie charts and donut charts are used to represent parts of a whole and provide a visual way to compare proportions between categories. So let's see. I will show you with a practical example the difference between these two charts and the use cases of this. Okay. So as you can see here, I have created one pie chart on the left side and one donut chart on the right side. Okay, on the given data set. So we have data that is order data, which contains category, field, city, country, the quantities ordered, okay, and subcategories and shipping cost, state, and so on. So here I have created a pie chart to show that the sum of quantities by each category and the percentage. Okay, if you see here, uh, this pie chart is usually it is a circular graph divided into a slices. If you see three slices, it is created based on the number of categories we have. That is office supplies, furniture, and technology. Uh, that each slice represents this particular category here. So the size of this slice, actually, if you see here, size of the office supply, that corresponds to the proportion or percentage of that category relative to the whole value. And if you see, the office supplies has like 65% quantities ordered, which is huge compared to other categories, that is furniture and technology. If you see, furniture has 20% and technology has 14%. So it is showing the relative size, okay, of that proportional percentage. And whereas donut chart is essentially a part, it's actually a pie chart with a hole in the middle of this, okay, that giving it a donut shape. The data is still displayed as a slices of a circle here, if you see, but with a central hole. The hole can be used for additional information like displaying total sum or title. So this is just like compact visual, you can say, of pie chart. We can understand when to use these two charts. Okay, so in pie chart, like if you need a simple and clear uh, visualization of part to whole relationship, you can use pie chart here. And if you want like to include additional information like total value in the center of this, or prefer more compact design, you can go with the donut chart. So but both are similar visuals, okay, to represent your data. And the donut chart is ideal for dashboards where space is limited and you want to display additional metric in the middle. So let's see how these charts can be created in Power BI. So I'll just go ahead and create a blank page here, and I'll just open the visualizations pane. And from here, I will select the pie chart option here. If you see symbol, I'll just expand this one. So you keep this selected, okay, and you don't have to drag anything. You just select the categories, okay, which you want, and the numeric value, which is actually in our case we have a number of quantities ordered, okay. So I'll just select the category here first, and then I will select the quantity, and you see it is automatically taking this and creating a pie chart with like three categories and showing the data in percentage and numeric value. So additional field we have, that is details. Okay. So let's suppose you want to see subcategories also for these three categories and what is the percentage of those subcategories here. So you can just select this subcategory field from the the table, and now if you see our graph has changed, and you see here This office supplies is further divided into subcategories here. If you hover on this, you can see the main category is office supplies and the subcategories appliances, which has almost 7.75% okay value. And if you go to this next slice, that is office supplies again, and this is actually the subcategories as art, and which has almost 9.86% percentage okay value. And if you see other category, that is furniture, so here subcategories bookcases, and which has 9.15% of value. So this is how you can create pie chart and use them to show the data okay in percentage for any number of categories. So I guess you can go with 5 to 6 or 7 categories to show data in visual way. I can say like if we if you have many more categories, this graph will not be useful. Uh, Let me show you why. Okay, so if I select another like city or something, and if you see here, we have many number of cities here, and if you see this graph which has created smaller slices here, which is very difficult to read or understand. So uh, so here, if you're if you have categories which are actually minimum, you can go with the pie chart or donut chart. So I'll just select again this one. So let's see how we can create donut chart. So same way, you can select the donut chart from the visualizations pane, and you can select the category and quantity field, which will give you the proportional percentage, okay, for each categories here, that is office supplies, furniture, and technology. And also here we have details field. You can go with the subcategory again here and see for each category, main category, what is the further like percentage divided for subcategories here. So this is how you can create pie chart and donut chart in Power BI. I hope you understood the concept between these two charts and how to use them and how to like when to use them. Okay, when you're creating your Power BI dashboard. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, okay, and share with your friends and family so that they can understand and learn Power BI. Thank you.